I made a cheeky offer on a job lot of random stuff on eBay the other week and I won. Now the only thing I can remember being in here is a laptop that works but has a faulty screen. Now I think I have a replacement screen for it. That'll be in another video. So it's time to get opening and see what stuff is in here and if it survived the journey. Instantly I can see the laptop. There we are, HP one. It is a 6120 with, look, a cracked, smashed screen. And I'm sure I've got a replacement screen for that somewhere. So that'll be another video. Look, it's designed for Windows XP, but it's Windows Vista capable. Yuck. We'll put that to one side. Right, what else have we got in here then? I need to leave for something. Is that these headphones? Headphones? Oh, it's a headset, look. Okay, with one foam pad and no foam pad. Okay, do they have a brand on them? No, so that's pretty much worthless. Ooh, what's in that bag? Ooh. Is that a USB-C sound card or something? Look. I have to check that out later. What have we got here? Ah, two memory cards, like 16 gig SanDisk and another 16 gig SanDisk. We've got a standard SD card and a micro SD card, so that's interesting. Ooh. Quite Christmas look, he's wrapped everything up. Ooh. Ooh, 500 gig Western Digital Blue hard drive. That will need testing. Heatsink and fan. Okay. Aha. A dirty PlayStation 3 controller. Oh yeah, look. Broken. Or is it just dirty? I don't know. That sounds like another video for that one. Aha, some sort of Xeon with a Z watch, look. Play, stop, oh, is it an MP3 player? That could be interesting. Oh look, it's mini USB on the side. Oh, that's going to be interesting to see what that does. Now what else have we got? Got a an MX3 4K, whatever that is. 5 volts, 2 amps. Got USBs on the side, look. Some sort of media player. Oh well, have a look at that later I think. Oh, digital camera with the lens sticking out. That's not a good sign because I've seen quite a few of those damaged like that. Oh, what's in here? Oh, it's an IDE hard drive. It's got a tick on it. There you go. Must work. 80 gig. That's not bad. I like that. Ooh, boxed heatsink and fan, look. Well, it might be boxed, but it certainly isn't new, look. Covered in dust. Okay, no idea what that's for, or why the seller had 2 of those. I think there might even be another one in here if I remember correctly. Oh, remote control. Ah, that must be for that media box thing, whatever it is. Yep, there we go, there's another one, standard Intel one. Yeah, just needs a bit of a clean up, look. Oh, another heatsink. Oh, what's this? Oh, here's the box for that heatsink. don't need any of those heat sinks, so I think I might put them back on eBay as a random job lot. Now, what is in it? All these feel like hard drives. Seagate 160 gig IDE look. Oh, Western Digital 80 gig one. I know that from the model number. That's sad, isn't it? Oh, now I've got one with a cross on. And what's this? This is 1500 gigabyte Seagate drive. Barracuda, 7200 RPM. That'll be interesting, see if it works or not. Now, just because it's got a cross on doesn't mean it doesn't work. That's a interesting haul, isn't it? Look. Quite sure what I'm going to do with all these heat sinks other than bung them on eBay. I'd like to see if I've got an adapter for that. I mean, that's going to be interesting. I've got to find a mini USB lead for that and see if that works. And that's the right for that. Obviously another hard drive. Let's stick that there. The laptop, half a headset, whatever that is, and 2 SD cards and a nearly working controller. Interesting job lot, I think. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button if you've enjoyed the video or found it useful. And don't forget, if you don't want to miss any of my videos, click on subscribe. See you next time.